Late Night Diecast unboxing. Hi everyone, I am back to uploading again. This time doing something different. I'm going to unbox this Hot Wheels 2013 showroom, 1970 Pontiac GTO Judge, MSD. Oh, it's got a little thing right there. It is a GM. Pause that if you want to read it. Turns out MSD is a performance auto parts or accessories for your car and truck or sports car or muscle car. Depends on what you drive. Anyways, this one's really nice though. Look at that. Oh, sorry for the camera movement. This brings back a lot of memories. Back then, there were no coronavirus or anything like that. Man, I miss those days. We got the 70 GTO Judge. Yeah, buddy. And the chrome base, too. Look at that. So, yeah. I'm going to unbox this. And that's why I call it Late Night Unboxing. Late Night Unboxing. Anyways, let's open it. Oh, come on now, man. There we go. There we go. This is my favorite car out of the bunch. Let's see if we could focus. If the camera could focus, that is... Let me see if I can move it forward. Oh. I believe it's in case A. Or case A. Yeah, I believe it's in case A. I want to get me one of these. So, I can't scan it anymore because that was 2013. So, here it is. Look at this beauty. Oh, man. Alright, this is unfortunate right there. Says, let's have a look at the details. RAM Air 4. MSD. Red interior. Chrome base. I apologize for the camera not being cooperating. 70 GTO Judge. GM. Made around 2010. I mean, look at this beauty. Oh, what's happened there? Hang on. It's definitely showed some age. There we go. Got that little thing off the spoiler there. What a beautiful car, man. So happy I got this. Now, I'll put it down and move the camera down as well. I got another GTO Judge. Hang on, it's under my bed. Let me go get it. I have one from the Hot Wheels 2012 Muscle Mania series, a Green Light Judge, American Steel Judge, and the Kroger, what is it? Kroger Scavenger Hunt series. Let me get them all together. So please be patient. Here's my 2012 version. Yeah, we got some Pontiacs around here. Scavenger Hunt series by Kroger. The American Steel one. The Matchbox one. Here it is, the Matchbox one I got. And my Greenlight Walking Dead GTO. Look at that. It'd probably be more fair if I displayed it like that. What do y'all think of my GTOs, everyone? That's quite a collection I got. I got a Matchbox one right here. Let me move the camera back. Yeah, so this is my Matchbox one. I absolutely love this casting. I can't believe Matchbox discontinued it in 2009, according to the Wikipedia or the Matchbox Wiki, or the fan page, I believe. Yeah, that kind of sucks, though. Here's my Greenlight Walking Dead GTO. Come on now, focus. Anyways. Oh, wow. It is very silver. And the fun fact here is, let's look at closer. Closer. Oh, yeah, it's got a Georgia plate. Can you see that? It's got a Georgia license plate. This is from my Greenlight Hollywood Series 13, 1971 Judge. The difference between the 70 and the 71. Look at the difference. See? See the difference? Yeah, they redesigned the front end. So this front end right here, it was only made for 1 year. Well, this one was made for the last 2 years. Now, if I can get the hood open, I was able to. You know, I thought I was going to break it, but it turns out I didn't. Sheesh, look at that. Oh, sorry about that. I'm trying to show everyone the engine inside. Look at that. Yeah, boy. I love the silver GTO. So, for those who are curious, where did this GTO appear in? It appeared in the very first Walking Dead episode called Days Gone By, when Rick and Shane get a dispatch call that 3 criminals were escaping in this car, and there were like let's see, 2 Crown Vics. That was like 4 Crown Vics and 1 GTO. And man, that police chase scene was wild. Unfortunately, this car got trashed, and it ended up like flip over like that. And the criminals got out of the car and they attacked the cops. And oh, you know how it went. If for those Walking Dead fans who've seen it, I seen it, and man, that was wild. Woo! It's like the Wild West in the modern day, you know. Anyways, gonna fix that up. So here's the scavenger hunt one I got. Many of you noticed, see the difference? Yep, they got this. They did a repeat, this time in white, 2012, 2015. Anyone notice that? Yeah, that's what I noticed. If I ever get a Hot Wheels place, I'm definitely gonna put my GTO in there. I watched the commercial for the 1970 Pontiac GTO. It wasn't a Judge, but it was the Humbler. Somewhere on YouTube, I saw it and I loved it. I loved that commercial. GTO, yeah, GTO, Pontiac, the Humbler, GTO, Pontiac. We build excitement. Oh man, I've been watching a lot of old nostalgic commercials lately from the 70s and 80s on YouTube. Anyways, there goes my late night diecast unboxing. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and have a good night, everyone, because it is nighttime right now. But for those of you who are in different time zones, it might be a different time. Might even be the morning. Anyways, have a good evening, and enjoy your February, everyone.